Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is about polygons and angles. You're going to learn it here, the easy way. In case you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you will be kept updated on the next math lesson. Then, like and share so that you can also help other students. We are going to learn today how to find the measure of an interior or exterior angle of a regular polygon. A polygon is a two-dimensional figure with straight sides. A regular polygon is said to be regular when the measure of all angles are equal and the measure of all sides are equal. An equiangular polygon is a polygon whose vertex angles are all equal. Let us study the different polygons. If it is a triangle, it has 3 sides. If it is quadrilateral, it has 4 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides, hexagon has 6 sides, and heptagon has 7 sides. I want you to take a look at the column of the regular polygon. You can notice that all the sides have the same length and the angles have the same measure. However, on the irregular polygon column, you can notice that the sides have different lengths, while the angles have different measures. Let us continue the different names of the polygon. An octagon have 8 sides, nonagon have 9 sides, decagon have 10 sides, hendecagon have 11 sides, and dodecagon have 12 sides. I want you to take note of this. Interior angle sum of a polygon is the sum of the measures of the polygon's interior angle. The formula for finding the sum of the interior angle of a polygon is S is equal to n minus 2 enclosed with a parenthesis multiplied by 180 degrees, where n is the number of the sides of the polygon. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Find the sum of the measures of the interior angle of a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Let us apply the formula for the interior angle sum. S is equal to n minus 2 enclosed with a parenthesis times 180 degrees. Since the polygon is a hexagon, it has 6 sides. Therefore, we're going to substitute the number of the sides into the formula. Accordingly, S is equal to 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees. And it will give us 4 times 180. Consequently, the interior angle sum of a hexagon is equal to 720 degrees. It is easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. Find the interior angle of a regular pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Let us apply the interior angle sum of a polygon, which is S is equal to n minus 2 enclosed with a parenthesis times 180. Substituting the number of sides of the pentagon in the formula, it will give us S is equal to 5 minus 2 times 180. Therefore, it will give us 3 times 180 degrees. Correspondingly, the interior angle sum of a pentagon is 540 degrees. However, we need to find each of the interior angle of the regular pentagon, not the sum. Since the regular pentagon has 5 equal interior angles, we're going to divide the sum by 5. Therefore, 540 divided by 5 will give us 108 degrees. Accordingly, the measure of each interior angle is 108 degrees. On that account, we have learned how to find the measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon. Now, let us study how to measure the exterior angle of a regular polygon. I want you to take note of this. The exterior angle of a polygon is the sum of the measures of the exterior angle, which is always equal to 360 degrees. No matter how many sides the polygon has, the sum of the interior angles is always equal to 360 degrees. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Find the measure of an exterior angle in a regular heptagon. A heptagon has 7 sides, therefore it has 7 exterior angles. Let x represent the measure of each exterior angle. If we are going to add x 7 times, we're going to have 7x. However, we have learned that the sum of the exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, in this case, 7x is equal to 360 degrees. Hence, to find the measure of the exterior angle of the heptagon, which is x, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 7. And we can cancel out the 7 on the left side. Correspondingly, to find x, we're going to divide 360 by 7, and it will give us 51.43 degrees. Consequently, the measure of each of the exterior angle in the regular heptagon is 51.43 degrees. Let us work on another example so that you can fully understand the lesson. Find the measure of an exterior angle in a regular 20gon. Let us set x as the measure of each exterior angle of the regular 20gon. Therefore, we're going to have 20x is equal to 360. To find x, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 20. And we can cancel out the 20 on the left side, leaving us 360 divided by 20. And it will give us 18 degrees. Accordingly, the measure of each exterior angle in a regular 20gon is 18 degrees. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. Find the measure of the exterior angle of a regular quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, therefore it has 4 exterior angles. Let us set x as the measure of each exterior angle. Correspondingly, it will give us 4x is equal to 360 degrees. To find x, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. And we can cancel out the 4 on the left side of the equation. Consequently, to solve for x, we're going to divide 360 by 4, which will give us 90 degrees. Accordingly, the measure of each exterior angle in the regular quadrilateral is 90 degrees. Appropriately, we have met our goal for today's lesson. We have learned how to find the measure of an exterior or exterior angle of a regular polygon. To wrap it up, I want you to always remember that in finding the interior angle sum of the polygon, always remember the formula S is equal to n minus 2 enclosed with a parenthesis multiplied by 180 degrees, where n is the number of the sides of the polygon. Like in this example, the regular hexagon has 6 sides. So 6 minus 2 will give us 4. Then multiply it by 180. And the sum of the measures of the interior angle of the hexagon will give us 720 degrees. It is easy. However, in finding the exterior angle of a polygon, we are going to add all the measure of the exterior angle and make it equal to 360 degrees. No matter how many sides the polygon has, it will always be equal to 360 degrees if we are going to find the measure of the exterior angle. Such as in this example, a regular heptagon has 7 sides. Therefore, 7x is equal to 360 degrees, which will give us x is equal to 51.43 degrees. However, a regular quadrilateral has 4 sides. Accordingly, it will give us 4x is equal to 360 degrees, and x is 90 degrees. These are the measure of the exterior angle of a polygon. In finding the interior angle sum of a polygon, remember the formula. S is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. While in finding the exterior angle of a polygon, the sum of the measure of the exterior angle is always equal to 360 degrees. Remember that. To conclude our lesson for today, I want you to always remember what His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, may his soul rest in peace, wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Sheikh Zayed wrote and left this quote for us so that the youth will always remember the importance of education. The genuine concern of Sheikh Zayed for his nation will always remain, as this quote will handed down from generation to generation. And to encapsulate our lesson for today, I want you to always remember that life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I do hope you have learned a lot for today's topic and you find it easy. Okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!